The rare book collection is a non-browsing and a non-circulating collection, which means you can't actually just walk to the shelves and take things off. So this is an opportunity for you to see a little bit of the kinds of things that we collect. We collect a wide variety of materials, but we specialize in modern book arts.
We have a special guest with us also, Mayor Blocker.
The three of us, Jeffrey Bishop, Keith, and myself, did a huge environmental installation. It was took a room 40-foot square to show it, and it was shown in Bellingham at the Whatcom Museum. This thing is a companion to that piece.
This is from an edition of 18 books created by 6 people, myself included, Akira Kurosaki from Japan, and 4 students. And it was a quick, intensive summer workshop called Graphic Video.